Hello everybody and welcome back. In today's unboxing video, we are going to be unboxing the CR7. Now, to be quite honest with you guys, I did kind of procrastinate making this video just because I felt like I was a little late on it. You know, I had so many other videos that I wanted to get out. By the time I actually had time to film this unboxing, I was like, you know what, it's far past the release. But now I saw not too many people have reviews up on YouTube, so I'm saying, you know what? Why not? Let's do it. So we are going to be unboxing the CR7. Alright, so as you guys can see, they come in a gray box. Simply just got a Nike Air on them. It says Air Force 1 underneath. You know, your typical box. Nothing to it. They didn't put any detail on it like they did on the Nike and Off-White collab. That was pretty cool. But, you know, it's fine. We don't really care about the box. We care about the shoes. Now, I'm actually very grateful to have these in hand because I had 6 accounts going, and I actually got them on my 5th account. And if you're wondering, whoa, what about all these accounts? Well, the whole thing is that I didn't create the multiple people jig. I found the multiple people jig, but I came up with the idea to utilize the multiple people jig on the Nike website because normally we were just using it on the splash page, but it turns out you can use it for the Nike draw to increase your chances. So I'm actually very excited to have Keith, us at Nike recently saw your CR7 had a cop guide. We were very disappointed to hear that you butchered Ronaldo's name in your video. These debts must be paid, hence we sent over another pair of sneakers more suited for you. P.S. You're an incompetent fool. Stop making YouTube videos. Yours truly, Michael Hunt. Thanks, Mike. I appreciate that. Don't say I didn't warn you. I told you guys when you came to this channel that I do head of cop guides, I do resale predictions, all that good stuff, but I also do unboxings and reviews, and in those reviews, I make pathetic comedic endeavors that are usually fruitless. But in all seriousness, here are the CR7s, and I actually did wear these to school today for the first time, and let me just say, they look incredible on feet. I will be showing you the on-foot portion at the end of the video. As of now, though, I really want to talk about the details on this shoe because the details, I cannot stress it enough, the details are so exceptional on this shoe. Nike put in so much effort, and I really respect that. So to start it off, we have the Nike signs, and for those of you who don't know about the CR7, so the whole story is that Ronaldo's mom actually bought him 2 shoes, and one of those shoes he would use for casual wear and playing soccer. The issue was that he would constantly get holes in his shoes, so his mom would have to stitch it up. Hence, we see that it looks like the Nike sign is all stitched up. Now, what I find extremely unique and just simply beautiful about this shoe is that every single Nike sign is different. Every single Nike sign, they all have different sorts of patterns, and I really do like that. So obviously, I think that's my favorite part of the entire shoe. But let's talk about some other stuff. So on the back of the shoe, we have CR7 on one side, and then we have Nike Air on the other. I think that's cool how they changed it up. They didn't just put Nike Air on both of them. You know, they switched it up. So like I said, important to keep details in mind. More importantly, though, if you look on the inside of the shoe, you can actually see that the Nike Air is in gold, so that's cool. More importantly, though, it has his signature. I'm pretty sure this is stitching, guys, so even if you wear this, it won't rub off. Now, the Nike Air on the bottom, that probably will, but I don't care as much for that as I care for the stitching, so I'm really happy to see that they did put in that extra effort on the stitching for his signature, so we know that it will last. But guys, these little details, they're incredible. This is why I love collecting sneakers. Looking at the tongue, it simply is a patch that says Nike Air Force 1. Simple as that. It is leather, it looks like. I wouldn't really call it good quality leather for the entire shoe. It's like your typical Air Force 1 leather. I would actually go as far to say as this leather quality is terrible, but I I don't care about that. I'm not feeling the shoe all day. Now, obviously, I do love shoes with great quality, but to be honest, it's more looks than quality for me. I don't know if it's just me. Obviously, quality is a perk. To me, I like these details. That's what I care about. In addition, on the laces, we have a little plate that is in gold. The rest is all basic. You have your simple all-white upper, aside from the gold touches. So that's the review I have for you guys today. Now let's jump to the on foot. Alright guys, with that, I am out of here. Thank you so much for watching. If you happen to enjoy, leave a like, maybe subscribe. I do these how to cop guides, I do resale predictions, and I also do reviews on occasion. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bing, bang.